All right, going to go ahead and do a review of the price action on Tuesday morning, July 12th, 2022. Um, Kind of started the morning on a buy signal and then kind of turned had some selling pressure after that. So here we are right here at market open. Um, some say that's a valid buy signal. I don't like to take a trade. 1 minute into market open, like to have it settle a touch, and it did. It came back, tested the 1 minute support right here, and then we got a blue bar, blue oscillator, and so we're long right here at around 986, 987. This thing got up to a high, went against you about 10 points or so right off the open, and then got to a high of 026. Maybe could have slid in, um, a stop here under this white neutral bar for 10 points. Might have been tough to do so, so you might have been stopped out on that one. The way I traded it, I saw kind of some stalling right here. Once we got up to this level, I did have didn't love this massive bar, kind of impulse move right here. And with it being early, I got far enough into kind of a one arm move at about a 25-point stop loss. And so I think I was up a little over 30 points or so. And I went ahead and locked in 1R, 25 points, and was eventually stopped out. So I went and kind of did my own thing on that one. Didn't follow the chart exactly, but sometimes you got to use your feel and your intuition sometimes. So um, first trade could have been a stop out. Next trade was right here. We broke down underneath this support level, the 3 minute support, got a red bar here. The print of the 3 minute signal didn't come until right here. Could have gone short here or here. So let's say that we waited for the confirmation. This would have had a short at 923, stop up here um, above this entry bar, um, 20, a little over 25 points or so. Just call it 25 points. Went against a little over 10 points, about 13 points, and then kind of trickled down a little bit and then just fell out of bed. This was probably the biggest move of the morning. We were short at 924. We would have been out around this area for about 80 points. So that's a good move. If you were going for like a 50-point profit target, you would have been out in this area. I didn't love this setup, and I actually did not take this trade. Good example of why you just got to take all the signals because should have been short here, stop loss up here, never really threatened it too much, and then just a really strong move to the downside. I totally missed out on that one. Just like I said, good reminder to take all the trades as they come. Got kind of a no trade zone here, just kind of bounced around amongst the averages, bouncing off of supports and resistance. Finally, we broke through right here, right here. It's interesting. In real time, this bar, I was long on this bar, and it was above the 3 minute resistance. Now, this is the following day. My charts have kind of refreshed, and that resistance level is a little higher, and it doesn't show that this bar closed above it. So that's kind of interesting. But regardless, I was long on this bar because it did close above the 3 minute in real time on my charts. So I was long here. It was about 96, yeah, 896. I was just looking for another 25 points to hit my 50-point profit target on the day. Was able to hit that up in this area. Actually, yeah, right in this area. I locked it in. I think I had a profit out there of like another 10 points, like 35 points. and it came back and took me out at my 25 points to give me 50 on the day. So if you weren't trading like that, though, you know, probably would have been stopped out. Sweet spot came in this area right here. Technically, you could come in right here. Sometimes you want to see kind of a close above the 1 minute, but we did get close enough to this 2 minute support level, blue bar, blue oscillator. Technically, you could go long right here, 94.5. That thing ran a little bit, didn't really go against you at all. Got up to 931, pulled back a little bit, maybe locked in 10 points or so. So that was about it for the day. Kind of just trudged along the rest of the day. The biggest move was this sell-off, and then unfortunately the rest of them were just kind of eating into the profit you got on that one if you were just following the chart. I was doing my 50 points that I was trying to hit, got 25 off that first move, and another 25 off this kind of quick impulse move. So that was a review for Tuesday, July 12th.